Color theory in interior design, a concise overview. 1. Color wheel. The color wheel is a visual representation of the relationships between colors. It consists of primary colors red, blue, and yellow, secondary colors orange, green, and purple, and tertiary colors, a mix of primary and secondary colors. 2. Color harmony. Color harmony refers to the pleasing arrangement of colors in a space. Different color schemes create different moods and atmospheres. Some common color harmonies include complementary, opposite colors on the color wheel, analogous, adjacent colors, and monochromatic, the shades of a single color. 3. Warm and cool colors. Colors can be categorized as warm or cool. Warm colors such as red, orange, and yellow create a sense of energy, excitement, and coziness. Cool colors such as blue, green, and purple evoke calmness, serenity, and a sense of spaciousness. 4. Psychological effects. Colors have psychological effects on individuals. For example, red is associated with passion and can stimulate appetite, making it suitable for dining areas. Blue is calming and often used in bedrooms or offices. Yellow is energizing and can be used in spaces where creativity is encouraged, such as workspaces or children's rooms. 5. Color intensity. Color intensity refers to the brightness or dullness of a color. High-intensity colors are vibrant and attention-grabbing, while low-intensity colors are more subdued and create a relaxed ambience. Balancing color intensity is crucial to avoid overwhelming or underwhelming the space. 6. Color as a design tool. Colors can be used to manipulate the perception of space. Lighter colors tend to make a room feel more spacious, while darker colors create a sense of intimacy. Strategic use of color can highlight architectural features, create focal points, or establish visual flow within a space. 7. Cultural and contextual considerations. Colors can carry cultural meanings and associations. It is important to consider the cultural context and the intended purpose of a space when selecting colors. For example, red may symbolize luck and fortune in some cultures, while it may represent danger or caution in others. 8. Personal preferences. Ultimately, personal preferences play a significant role in color selection. Understanding one's own color preferences and how they align with the desired mood and function of a space is essential for creating a harmonious and satisfying interior design. In conclusion, color theory in interior design explores the relationships between colors, their psychological effects, and how they can be used to create harmony, atmosphere, and visual impact in a space. By understanding the principles of color theory, designers can create aesthetically pleasing and functional environments that evoke desired emotions and cater to the needs of occupants.